welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for spending a little time with me today. So guys, today I have my FabFitFun fall box, and you know this is a seasonal box, and here she is. She's a little heavy. So here's my box here, and as you can see, pumpkin spice and everything nice is our theme here on our box. So we're going to get right into this box here. This is a lifestyle box. It's $59.99 every season, or you can sign up to be an annual member like myself, and you get a little bit more of a discount. And I forget, what is it? $219.99, and you get access to all the sales and everything like that they have, and they always have sales at FabFitFun. So they're always trying to get in my pockets with the sales. So they have a lot of great stuff, a lot of brand names. So if that's something you into, then this could be working for you. But I do like getting this box. So let's get started. So fall 2023. And yeah, they give us our packaging here about whatever games and stuff they have. We got some other packaging here. Ooh, look, I got some Ricola. Got some Ricola cough drops. I guess this is a little sample that they threw in here. They always throw something in here. And this is, I think last time it was the one kind bar. And then they always give us some stuff about that what is this? Hello Fresh stuff. So we'll toss this to the side and we'll begin. So guys, I'm looking at here. I don't see the newspaper in here at all. So maybe we should just go on without it. I don't see the newspaper. It normally should be on top, but I don't see it anywhere. Let me see if I can pull it up on my phone real quick. Alright guys, so we'll start out with our first item here. The first thing I'm pulling out, oh look, I have an Alex and Andy product. I did select this because I'm an annual member. I picked all my stuff. But honestly guys, this time around I was a little disappointed with the options, because most of the stuff, you know, being that I've had the box for like some time, I pretty much have a lot of the options that they picked, or I've already picked them up before or tried out those products and didn't really kind of want them. So I was trying to just pick something different than the things that they had on there. But this was probably not my favorite selection for the fall box, for me personally. So I just made selections with what I had and just went with it. So that's what we got. So I did select this Alex and Andy bracelet. And what it? So this is our bracelet. I've never had any of the Alex and Andy stuff, and I see it in the mall and I've heard people talk about it, but I've never purchased any. So this is kind of my way of seeing if it's something that I like. So this is the bracelet that I have, and this is the emerald. It says luck and prosperity. Emerald crystal represents hope and spiritual growth, and it's believed to bring good luck, good fortune and prosperity to you. So that is the first item I have here. This product is valued at $45 for this emerald bracelet. Now you guys know I have these little baby wrists, so this is not a problem. This does bend. This works fine for me. With my little baby wrists, we're good to go. So this is how it's looking on me, guys. I think it's cute. I like it. I think it's really cute. I don't know what I was expecting with Alex and Andy. I just never bought any of their stuff, but it looks cute. It looks cute. What you guys think? You like it? Did you guys pick this up, or did you pick up something different? So this one is definitely $45, and you get the little cloth pouch that it comes with. And it's a nice little cute cuff. I think you can wear it. It's pretty simple. Doesn't stand out too much like this other bling bracelet, but it doesn't stand out. You can pretty much wear this and go about your business. I think it's cool. So I like that one. So let's see what else is in my box. Okay guys, so the next product I'm pulling out here, it's the Free the People candle. So I did select this Free the People candle. It is, yeah, Free People candle, not Free the People, Free People candle. This is the 1800 collection, and the scent that I have is Lodge. Now, I wasn't sure about this scent. Now, it says this scent is Pablo Santos and Patchouli. So, this is one of those real earthy kind of candles. If you're not into that, then you probably won't like this. And Patchouli is one of those real earthy smelling ones. I don't know, this kind of gives a fall vibe to me, I would say. So this candle, guys, this is valued at how much money? Really? This candle is valued at $45. And I like the amber color. It does have the fall feel to it to me. But it's called Lodge. So, yeah, I think this would be a nice fall smelling candle. If you know, it seems cozy. It seems a little spicy. Yeah, it seems a little spicy to me. So I like this. So this is by Free People, and this is the scent Lodge. 1809 Lodge is what this is. So let's see what else is in my box. So guys, the next one I have is a Cuccio product. This is the hand and body wash gel. Here I did select this one. And this is sandalwood and sage. And I can't smell anything through this plastic, so I can't tell you what it smells like. I know what sandalwood smells like, and I know what sage smells like individually, but together, I don't know. So guys, this product here is valued at $39. And it just says this is the ultimate in self-care. Hand and body wash is designed to reduce stress and worry thanks to its essential blends of sandalwood and sage. And this is an 8-ounce size here, and again, this one is valued at $39. Now guys, I actually in one category I could not think of what to choose, so I let them choose the product for me. So it's a mystery pick, and let me show you what that is. So what they gave me was, I got a shampoo and conditioner by IGK. Now I remember getting an oil, a hair oil from them, I think in the last box. So this is their legendary Dream shampoo, and this is the Dream hair conditioner. So I got a set. I've never used their shampoo products before, so this will be interesting to see how this works for me. So this was a mystery product that was given to me in the box, since I could not pick because it probably was a bunch of stuff that I already had, and I didn't need any of that stuff, so I just went with the mystery item. So that's it. Let's hit the next one. So guys, our next product here, I selected the Lifestyle Company. They have a perfume in here, and it's called Mood. So I selected this. I love perfume. If you don't know, I have a bit of a collection. But this is how the product comes here, and this is valued at $40, guys. And it says this is a new fall scent, and it says it has jasmine, cedar, saffron, amber, and they work perfectly together to create a timelessly and sophisticated scent. So of course I have to spray it on myself. What could never go without spraying it. So let's see what this smells like. Ooh, I like that. Oh, that's nice. It's like a real clean scent. It's not overly heavy, but it's a really fresh scent. This really smells good. Like, not bad for just randomly picking a perfume that you've never smelled before. This will work. This is a nice, it smells really clean. Like, it's clean, but it's light with like a nice scent to it. It's not sweet, but it has like a nice kind of spicy scent to it. Very nice. I like this. This is really good. So again, this was valued at $40. So guys, we're down to the last item in my box. I picked the Our Place wine glasses as my choice. And this is the tinted wine glasses is what it's saying here. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out and show you. This product was valued at $50. What? Seriously? Dude, it says $50 for 2 wine glasses? Wow. Okay, color is two-tone. Okay. $50 for 2 wine glasses. I'm sure I can get something that looks like this at Marshall's or Home Goods. But okay, I think that value may be a lot inflated. You guys let me know what you think. I mean, it's just wine glasses. So guys, here are the wine glass here. Let me take out the second one to give you the full effect. Dude, this Mood perfume is smelling so good in here right now. If you haven't tried it, you need to get this. Okay, let me go back to the wine glasses, but it just smells so good. So these are the wine glasses. They don't feel cheap, but they're not uber heavy either. So I would say $50 for two. I don't really buy that personally. I would say if you say $10 a piece, I'd probably be willing to work with you on that. But these are the wine glasses. They'll get used definitely, but I'm not feeling $50 value, me personally. But I think they're nice. They feel like the fall kind of colors. I think this is fun. So $50, don't buy that. Alright, so in review, we got wine glasses from Our Place. We got the IGK shampoo and conditioner set. We have the Cuccio hand wash and body gel. We have the Free People 1809 Lodge candle, and Pablo Santo and Pablo Santo and Patchouli. And we have this smells so good, this Mood Lifestyle. It's made by the Lifestyle company and it's called Mood. This smells really good. This is probably my favorite thing out of here. And oh, we also have the Alex and Andy bracelet here. So that is my box for fall, guys. I did get some mystery bundles, so I will be coming back with the mystery bundles. So you guys stay tuned for the mystery bundles, and I got a couple of them. So you gotta keep watching for the mystery bundles, because I love getting the FabFitFun mystery bundles. So if you need to stack up with like Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, those things are perfect. But they always have cool stuff. But overall, this was my box. I thought it was okay. Nothing special for fall for this season. My most favorite item is definitely this Mood perfume, and I'm going to say I'm gonna go with the candle as my favorite two things out the box right off the back. That was my box. I would love to know if you guys picked up this must box. What did you think? Like, were you happy with the selections, or did you think they was kind of like wah, wah, wah? I would love to know what you guys think in the comments below. I love chatting with you guys. But guys, until my next video, again, keep your eyes posted for the mystery bundles. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.